heading to the KU campus to take marketing research today. That's my only class, and then I'm going to head to Namsan Tower to meet up with Sibling. My course registration is so bad. I need to get 2 more classes during this ad drop period because I made a mistake. So hopefully everything goes well, but I'm heading to campus. Bye. Arrived at the business buildings.
Sure. Namsan River Day. I mean.
Bread's not that great.
Not sure about the pineapple with the rice.
Not bread.
I like this.
I like the rice.
No,
I actually really like the rice. No, yeah, I like this.
try it. So good. Snow cheese katsu.
Does it cost you something?
I think so. The Asian in me.
There's like random nacho chips here. And french fries. The garlic chips are really strong. Yeah. This is like... What's roasted? Really? Yeah. Oh, this?
Good thing you didn't see that. It's so black.
What is this? Bacon? Honey bacon.
Honey
I
bacon.
also don't think. Fried rice? Rice.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Kind of scary.
All you. That's how I feel. Alina, what? Where?
We're on the go now. We're here for our arc right now. Alina's nervous. My picture is so ugly. You didn't show your picture? No. Guess we got rejected.
Us. We fucking got rejected for all.
Guess who didn't?
Look at Alexis is struggling to get
I'm
it.
still struggling.
I'm sorry.
Alina's trying to register for her class. She's very stressed right now. She has a timer on her phone right now. She has about 40 seconds left. I'm stressed because I'm trying to... I was going to do my... or find an appointment, but I don't think I can, so gotta figure that out. Right now, we have about 30 seconds left until Ola finishes this dress.
30 seconds.
No, 5 minutes registration. It's not second.
What?
She did not get her class. What's your number? There's a wait list. Like for real?
Yeah, I did it. Guess I'm doing classical music, guys.
No, not classical.
But these are just your random elective, yeah? It
Yeah.
doesn't matter as much. It's just your preference.
But that one's easier. This is a Thursday too. Just I'll end by like 12:15. No. By 1.
Is that really all the stuff? There's one other. That's complete. She's now taking the genre of classical music.
What? What is this? Did you miss my
We're gonna try to buy enhypen tickets.
That again.
Oh my god, there's 1 minute left. Wow, this is similar view.
Oh my
Oh dude, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm 8,302. Oh, 8,000. Oh my god.
I'm kind of far.
You look similar. It's pretty good so far. Number of people is 12,000.
This?
It's going up. Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god. Wait.
What is it?
Another book is what?
What?
Wait, no, wait.
Wait, what happened?
Wait, what?
Another device?
Wait.
Oh, yeah, another device. I thought you like don't have to open.
Oh shit. The book was determined for a win for long period.
Look what happened. Alexis sat down and it went by. It's because she touched it.
We got food while waiting for the queue. I'm currently in 27,000. Olina is at 36,000, and then Alexa's at 36,000 as well.
Crazy.
We got butter garlic fries, and then takoyaki, and then that sata sodok, and then Coke.
Already 8.
Are you sure? Oh. I messaged the group chat and they said, well, they always need to use it for the general.
What's the chance?
But then don't they say they usually sold out by general? This tastes like the honey butter chips. I mean, it's honey butter fries. Guys, show your food.
Is it good? I love takoyaki.
Can we read a PC bong now? We're so used to getting booted off. We got booted off what? 20 times collectively?
Well, they're sitting close to your first.
Shut up, nope, shut up. Don't you're getting that.
I have the tilapia ramen. It's really hot.
Korean wine.
I'm shaking around. Wait, are you eat? Yeah. Eat, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, anywhere? Anywhere. Eat. Oh my god. You got it? Only was a short. Green one, yeah?
Yeah. Got a receipt, but what's after that? It's just wait.
It's just like me too. Wait, just wait for me too. Do you have a receipt? No, wait, I got my email. Wait, unlock your bubble dots. How? This? Yeah. What's all I need? Wait, 6 section code.
It was $121.
I think it might. Oh, wait. How many?
I got it too.
My page! My page!
Oh, it doesn't tell you what seat. Oh wait, it's over here. Right over here.
Holy shit. Dude! Wait, what row are you?
Wait, where is it?
Wait, sorry. Second floor? E3 row 8.
Wait, I know 7.
E3 row 6. Oh, 6 and 8. What's in here?
42.
I'm 4.
Wait, I thought we said E3, guys.
This E3. I'm on E3.
Oh, I thought I told you 7.
Oh, no.
Wait, can we lose? I didn't know 7.
So we got tickets for enhypen on both days. Guess who's not happy with it? And we also got chicken with honey mustard on it. Yes, we only got one day.
I only need one day.
I'm also going to the exhibit. We're going to DDP to pick up our purse because the place that we bought it at was wholesale, so we had to buy 2 pieces and we had to pick it up at 12:30 a.m. which we did not. So now we're going 2 days later and we had to pay in cash.
Yeah.
But it's a super cute bag.
I forgot about the bag.
It must, what, how does it feel?
Wow.
It's soft. Nice. Feels nice.
It feels new. Yay! After 2 days.
You finally have a purse.
Caitlin will be so jealous.
So jealous. It's okay, she can get one.
We got ice cream from the convenience store. And you can check it out, but we never tried this before. I'm not getting anything. Pretty good from what I can taste.
The glare from that thing is
I know, it's crazy.
it's really bad.
What about yours?
It's really bad on mine
Really?
too. Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna give you guys a little bit of a haul of what we bought at all of y'all.
All of y'all.
Well, I picked up my bag.
We're waiting for our bus, by the way.
Our bus was like 18 minutes and we have like 10 minutes left, so we might as well. First thing, oh. Wait.
What did you? You bought like 6 face masks.
Well, I got 2 packs. Okay, I got 2 packs of these ones. I bought them from my auntie, because she wanted some. So I got those. And then I bought setting spray, makeup setting spray, because I heard this one was good. It comes with a pack of 2. I think it was like 30,000 won for 2 of them. It was okay. I think that was like the bulk of this purchase, by the way. And then,
30,000.
yeah, there's 2 of these though.
Do you know how much it is normally?
I think it was like 15,000 won for one of them.
Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. And then I got the Romand lip tint. This is from Maria. It's a gift from Maria. And then this is for myself. I got the Etude lip pencil because I've been looking for lip pencils and all the lip pencils here are so pink. Yeah, are so pink. That's the end of my haul. This was all like 60,000. I think it was like $45 USD. Pretty good.